Hi everyone, it's Ed. Going to replace the rear wiper blade on my HHR. You can see it's falling apart, kind of hanging. So we're going to do a little quick video on how to do that. Sorry, I've been going to be pausing this and repositioning the camera, but I haven't done a video in a while and I can't find my stand for my camera. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to take this apart. It's pretty easy. This clip right here, cover, has to get pulled off, and there's really nothing holding it. You just have to have both hands free, pull right here, and then pull on this side, and this cover will just pop right off. And I'm just going to show that. The wiper blade itself is pretty simple to replace. It's basically just prying it off past its point where it latches, and it'll just pop right off in your hand. The type of replacement blade I got is a Bosch. You can see it's the part number is R1116. And I paid less than 15 bucks for it. It's an 11-inch blade, and I'm pretty sure that all the HHRs, the blade is probably the same size. The good thing is it's probably the cheapest blade you're ever going to replace on your car, because typically you know how much those things cost. So I'm going to pause it right now and click it back on once I show you how to take the cover off and pop that blade off. Okay, I'm back. To take this cover off, just lift up, pull toward you. Then you're going to pull the arm back this way, and basically you're gonna pull this up and take it out just like that. It just, this little bar right here slides right in here. It's fairly simple to do. Line it up, push, and then squeeze, and you're all set. It's on. Then just put the cover back on right here. This will probably take the longest. There you go, and we're all done. So hopefully that'll help you out. Take it easy. I'm going to go back inside because it's still winter out. Bye-bye.